Viral Science, the home of creativity.
Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. In this video we will make a alcohol detector with Arduino. So let's get started. For this project you will need a Arduino NANO, MQ-3 alcohol sensor, buzzer, LEDs, PCB header and a PCB. Follow the circuit diagram and solder all the components. You can also make this project on breadboard. This is the code for our today's project. In this code we have used simple if and else statements. If the value of our MQ-3 alcohol sensor goes above 440, then the buzzer and the LED will be triggered, or else they will turn off. Do subscribe my channel Viral Science and click on bell button so you don't miss any videos.